Yeah, have you ever wondered what does return or a break statement in a for loop does? So let us see in this. So when you have a return in a loop, so all the outer loops and the loop in which the break has been used will essentially stop. So essentially, it will stop the entire nested loops. Whereas in the case of break, so the only loop in which the break has been used will get stopped, while the outer loops will go to the next iteration. In case of return, the entire nested loops will get stopped. So if you let us see this program very quick. So over here have created inner loops. So one is like 0 to 4 and other is like I plus 1 to 94. So basically we are looping through all the combinations from the numbers 0 to 3. And in this, if I plus j is 2, I'm going to return. So, and also if it is not, I'm just printing the I and j combinations. So over here, if we run this program, we'll be, you can see this is the page which has been printed. So I is 0 and j is 1. So after 0 and 1, it will be like 0 and 2. So since 0 and 2 is sum is 2, we're gonna be returning it. And all the next, even if we returning in this inner loop, the international loop got stopped, international loop got breaked. So if we use break, so what it will do is it will only break the inner loop and it will go through the next iteration in the outer loop. So here we can see after 0 and 1, it should be 0 and 2. Since it is sum is 2, we'll be breaking it. So that's why we can't see any lock. And then it is going to the next iteration in the outer loop. Next iteration is I equals to 1. So since I equals to 1, then we'll be looping through the inner loop. So this is how the return and break statement works. So break statement essentially only breaks the loop in which it has been used, and whereas in the case of a return loop, it will stop the entire nested loops.